So you guys want to know a good, easy, and quick way to mount drift tires onto rims? Well, I'm going to give you a quick little video here to show you how to do that, since I've seen quite a few people ask. So what I've got here, oh sorry about the camera, already got one mounted. Oh, there we go, one mounted. Very easy to do. So take this tire, drop it in the water, boiling water. Set the timer for about 45 seconds on the microwave, just so I know how long it's been in there for. Bring the pot of water to a boil first. I'll use a knife just to dab it in, make sure it fully gets nice and heated up. It's very quick and easy. Very, very easy. Okay, so that's almost done. I'm just going to set the camera up here. We're going to do that tire, or rim, sorry, not tire, that rim. Okay, it's been 45 seconds. On. Done. Just like that. No having to play around with it. It's perfectly on. Then I just throw on another tire. I set my timer for another 45 seconds. Should we do next? Should we do pink or green? What do you guys want? Pink or green? I would go with pink. Let's see, almost done heating up this other tire here. Let's take a look. Nice hot, boiling hot pot of water. How quick and easy that was. Painless too. No using a screwdriver, teeth. See a lot of people saying freeze the rims because they have trouble with doing this method. Not really sure why. Done. Look at that. Another one. Done. It's pretty easy, guys. Some people freeze the rims. They put it in the freezer for the night to make it easier. Some people use a hairdryer to heat up the tires. Putting the rims in the freezer just shrinks them. Makes it easier for the tires. Apparently I've never tried that method because this way works wonders for me. You know, you don't even have to do 45 seconds. It's a little long. It's been, well, I don't know, about 30 seconds. Let's just take this out now. Done. Just stop that. Turn off the stove. Look at that. 4 tires onto rims in just in no time. Those are going to look wicked on my drift car. Just turn this around. So there you have it. Quick and easy way to mount tires onto your rims for drifting. Boil a pot of water, let them sit in the pot for about 30 seconds, and then you saw how easy it was for them to pop on. So, hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, whatever, leave comments below, and don't forget to subscribe. See you guys later.